This is Fun with Electronics, Project 2, Part 1C. So, for this part, we have the same circuit as we had previously, but we added an LDR connected between both bases of both transistors, right? And as the LDR was connected, the oscillation accelerated a bit. So now it's oscillating much faster. Right now, it senses since the LDR senses light, and here's a result. So now we cover the LDR, and you might have noticed a slight change of speed in the oscillation. Seemed like it went slower. Let's do it one more time. See, it went a bit slower. Okay. So in light condition, let's take a look at the period. Okay. All right. Let's get adjusted a bit. Just my camera angle. It's about it's about 200 milliseconds. Okay. When it's in light condition, and now when it's in dark condition. Okay. Now let's now let's see. It looks like the period increased. So now it went up from 200 milliseconds to almost 320 milliseconds. So yeah, that's cool. In hindsight, I'm using 1K resistors as the current limiting resistors for each stage, just for just for more protection for the LEDs. Yeah, yeah.